Whakalawhalahi atu hane e tau wala tala tutupu ke lata mo he awhiawhinei. Hane whainga hua whalo te whahinga hua he whakatawhano ke whakatoa e tahapalana ngā hua kai ke kua whai le kua tupu whakaofo mo e tau lolo oela ka malingi whakahanoa. Hohoko mai e tau eke ka whamanu mo e whalu nusi ke langmatai e tau manu he motu. Whakahoko e aha whakatata he maanga ku makefu whale ka hatua mo e whakamailonga I fōki e tuanga he uafuru tau he kamate e tau whakaholoanga nei he maanga. Koe laulahi he tau whakaholoanga he tau e kalesia ke hautapu kua whakamatapatu e ke ahutapu whanau mo e aho he tau mamatu whiwhine. Koe whahi tapu nei hane whai whakatutala whalu e tau whahinga hua he whakatuwhono ke tahapalana ngā hua he motu ka eke kua whaile kua ha koe tau lolo oela ka malingi whakahanoa ke motu po ke tau whakatahi. Ko niwe tahe te motu he atu Pasifika ne kua mai ke moa mai e tau langmata yanga mai he mtakau South Pacific Regional Environment Program. Ko hoku mai whala tau pulotu mai he Maritime I New Zealand piha fuki mai mtakau he SPREP ke langmatai ke whakamau pōpō ai e palana ngā hua nei ke whakamahino e te whahi ne kua langke e te ngā hua mai tau pohala whi ne kua lata ke ngā hua kau whakalataha. Ka mtakau le veki ke he tau le kua tupu whakaofo ko he Disaster Council ko lo tu ia ka tau se tau whiwhirianga kai haha iei whalua tau whakatokaanga ne kua mai ke tuku atu ai whakamahino ke he tau whahinga hua ke langmatai atu ki ai. Ki sia ke hau nei kua hohoko atu alu tōru mai he tau whahi kehe ke whakakismanatu mo e whakaako ke he tau pahala ne kua maike ke whakatakatoke to palana nei mo whakangahua anuiha. Kai ke ni kua whai le kua ne kua laimahaki mai nā kai hoko sia ke lata mo e tau mtakau he motu mai ke I fōki he Maritime New Zealand ke langmatai atu ki ai. Amana ki ke whai whakahoanga whakataitai ke he atu loto ke kisia kua maua mana ki ina ke motu kai ke whai le kua ka malingi whakanoa I tau lolo oela. Kua li riu mai tua e taha he tau mtakau he tau ke kawha manu mai he motu ko New Zealand ke langmatai atu ke he tau manu he motu koe taha wala nei he tau ngahua he mtakau sport. Koe matakau South Pacific Animal Welfare ni lahi tau ngahua ke tuatu motu tunga tonga sa moa fisi ni we mai tulunga. Whakamahino ai ke he tau malolo sino he tau manu. Koe tau kua moali ni hoko mai alau tōru mahina hao ke topa mai manako ke liriu mai foki ke fua ke tau langmatai. Toko tōru e ke kawha manu, mai toko tōru fuke nui se pia foki mai taha tangata ke le veki atu ke tau pepungahua alau tōru. Ko lau tōru nei mai he pakuranga vet clinic lahi manako ke langmatai ke motu. Koe taha mena lai foki, koe tau langmatai nei, nā kai to tungi tupe, se kua hawhangi ai ke to tangata nei kua manako ke tātu ai I tau manu. Le tal hawa taha ke kawho kua manako laha lo tōru ke pili tome te kuri mo e tau pusi ha ka manako ke tuku hefo e tau numela manu ne kua o whano me whakatupu e tau le kua lawhikilunga, tunga kua kisia kua watu ai mututuri e tau peruafi mo e tau tangata. Kai ke nā kai whai tau siang he mga honei, mai ke fōki ke lauia po ke le kua ke he tau numela he tau manu lele mo e tau unga ne kua whakisia kua kai po ke tuturi ai he tau puri po ke tau usi vau. Kua ngā hua malo tōru he taha he tau poko ke he whahinga huwhanua, mai hawhangi ai ke he tau tangata ke uatu ai ke tātu e tau manu ke maua langmatai whakamalolo sino. Pia fōki ni mo e tau manu ne kua nā kai whaikaina po ke tangata ne le wiki atu ki ai. Koe whalu tau mena ni kua kisia kua hai e whalu tau ngā ngāo ni kua utawhanu he tau manu ni kua manako ai e tau ke kapo nei ke tului. Mai kua lahi whakaue halu tōru, ha kua maika e lo tō ke asitupe, ke maua ke tau vai, ke taka hefo ai ke motu. Ko laua ko Brian mo Teresa Scott, kai ke ko whaitangata ni kua manako ke maua e tau ko loa nei, mai e laua ia, ke latu me tau manu, tō riri watu ai e matakau nei he sport ki Misilani. Koe aha whaiumu ne kua whakahoko e aha whakatātā mai tau whakawhiawhia ua furua ki he maanga makefu whale ka hoatua. Koe matapata manatu ni kua lātai mai aho, koe ua furu e tau whakatātā makefu maanga mui o laola. Kua whangi aho mo e tau whakamuinanga mai a ia e tau ko holotawhia, e tau whakaroanga ke lātu mai aho. Kua matutaki atu ai ke he tau whakamatalaanga mai alo tōru e tau hukui mai he tamtakau ke he maanga. Taha foki e whakamanatuanga ni kua tupu atu ai ke whakalongo tuki ai ke tahi minute he whakamanatu aki e tau toa hamakefu ni whenonga atu ai ki Kalipori he tau taha hewa taha lima ke fila puta ke mo hala lang ia foki mo mana te to ro e to matakai nanga he maanga ni ko ki mai he muyanga ni e te mahina ku e ko male atu ko whakatatoa e te whakatalanga me mā tutakia koe ke whalua tau wheua ne kua kamata whakamua me taha wheua ne kua tausi ni e makefu koe langa unga mole atu e hongo fulu e tau he tausi whakalanga ni stoko longa whukalo tū ne kua hoku atu e ke kisikisi. Hia whuki me tau wheua sipote ke tā seka ke rata mo i tau matotahane mo e olofua niu ke rata mo e lalanga katutufi ke rata mo i tau matufi whine. Hawhanga i himtakau he tu whāte tau whakawhiawhia kōri, hia whoki me whale tam takau, ne kua whakawusia i he kau ngā hua lima, hapale kahatua, e te whangwanga te laki ngai aho. Ua he mawhala he aho whakataha mkiwhu, ne se ni kua kamata me tō e uha, kai whakatatoa e aho mo e ka fua mitaki, koe hanga wanga maanga ke whakatu mau, e anganga kau whataha, mo e mui alala. Last Saturday, Makefu Whalekahotua village held their annual show day, marking 20 years since they first started this community event. The theme for this year was focused on 20 years of Makefu show days, a thriving community, reflecting the many developments over the years. The day started off with a blessing from the village pastor, followed by formal speeches from different village group representatives and even members from the Makefu community from New Zealand. A moment of silence was observed for the fallen Makefu soldiers that partook in World War I in 1915, as well as for members of the village that had passed away earlier this year. After the speeches were some fun activities organised by the village council and the infamous Unga race sponsored by Stafford Guest. It was the Unga race competition that had spectators in awe, as this is the 15th consecutive year with more than 10 competitors turning up with Ungas of different shapes and sizes. Other activities included the sika throwing for the men, while the women folk took to weaving baskets. This year's basket making was more about the overall appearance and tidiness of the basket rather than who could make it in the shortest amount of time. The Makefu youth opened the entertainment section of the day, followed by a few other groups, and the day was closed with a performance from the Whanekahoatua women's handcrafts. The Makefu show day started overcast and with rain pouring down, but ended with the sun shining. The village anticipates bigger and better things for Makefu in years to come. Ne koe tau se e tau whakaholwanga aho tapu he tau whanau he tau ekalisia he motu ke hau ki o ki whatapu e ka mole atu pia fōki mea aho he tau mamatua whiwhine. Koe tau whakaholwanga nei ni kua lohi a mamanaki ki ai mo e laulahi he tau ngaho kua tohi mo he tuwha ai he tau mamatua po ke tau tupuna he tau lotukaina e tau launga he tau whanau ke whakaako mo e ako manatu ke lata mo e aho tau whanau. Kua matalahi mo e whiawhia e tau mamatua hao nono atu ke tau whanau ne kua loto toa mo e tutua i ke tau hau wai halu tūla tau launga mo atu ke he tau mamatu whine. Kua whamahani ke whakapalepale he tau mamatua e tau whanau mo e tau kai lolo ke he tau loto kaila mo e tau kai humelie kai ke tau se tau launga. Ke whalu e tau e kalesia kua whaiwhakalwanga ke lata mo e tau mamatua whine ke hau tapu ke whakiangi e tau tuhi whakaue me tau whisi ke whakatau tūnua ke tau ngahua uka he tau mamatua whine. Langataha ni he tau e aho tapu whanau, he tau osi whakahoko ai he aho tapu ke ua ki he mahina ha me. Whakausi mahina e te wala tātu tupu ke lata mai whiwhinei, a mana ki whoki ki he pumpunga pongi, to hai ai e whanuanga he tau lilifu he whanu e ke pule, a mana ki whoki ke whatutālai ke papatupe he kautū. E nā e te wala tātu tupu, kia nanofwa munini po, to liliu ke whleveia ke a whiawhia tu lotu. Munini po.